Imagine a future where the road you drive on, the energy powering your home, and even the way we connect our minds to machines are all crafted by one man's vision. What if I told you that this isn't just a possibility, but it's already unfolding right before our eyes? The mastermind behind this sweeping change, none other than Elon Musk. With ventures spanning across automotive, aerospace, and neurotechnology industries, is Elon Musk plotting a roadmap for humanity's future? Introduction. Hello everyone. I'm Author, and if you've ever wondered about the future of technology and who's steering the ship towards uncharted waters, then you're in for a treat today. In this deep dive, we'll explore how visionaries could shape not just our world, but the very fabric of tomorrow. And who better to center this discussion around than Elon Musk himself? Musk is not just a name, it's become synonymous with innovation on a scale that few can dream of. Whether it's launching rockets into space with SpaceX, revolutionizing roadways with Tesla's electric vehicles, or bridging mankind and machine through Neuralink's brain-computer interfaces, his ventures are nothing short of extraordinary. Each project carries potential global impacts that could redefine human existence as we know it. So buckle up as we embark on this journey together to understand how one man's vision might be laying down the blueprint for much of humanity's progress or perils in the decades ahead. The billionaire's blueprint for tomorrow. In today's rapidly evolving world, one figure stands out as holding the potential roadmap to our future: Elon Musk. With ventures cutting across critical sectors of sustainable energy, space exploration, and technology integration, Musk is not just solving complex problems, but reimagining what humanity's tomorrow might look like. Behind the scenes of innovation, let's delve into some of these groundbreaking projects. Starting with Tesla, it has revolutionized how we perceive electric vehicles, EVs. Tesla's innovations have pushed the entire automotive industry towards sustainable transportation solutions. Then there's SpaceX, aiming nothing short of establishing human colonies on Mars, making interplanetary living a foreseeable reality rather than science fiction. And let's not forget about Neuralink, linking human brains directly to computers. This isn't just an advance in healthcare, it could redefine human capability itself. These aren't mere business ventures. They are paradigm shifts that challenge existing norms across transportation, space travel, and even our own biology. The global chessboard. Musk doesn't only innovate, he strategically places his enterprises at intersections where technology meets global needs and geopolitics. A prime example? Starlink's endeavor to blanket the Earth with broadband satellites promises connectivity for remote areas, but also holds implications for information access in zones affected by conflict or censorship. This strategic positioning amplifies his company's impact, turning them from market players into potential shapers of international dynamics and dialogues around innovation, equity, and digital freedom. A future by design. The prospect of one visionary so profoundly influencing numerous facets of life raises thrilling possibilities alongside critical ethics questions about privacy, data security, and power concentration in tech-driven futures. It opens up debates on how much influence individual entrepreneurs should wield over collective destinies, an exhilarating yet cautionary tale of innovation driven by singular visionaries. It prompts us to consider whether we are passengers or participants as we sail towards uncharted technological horizons driven by figures like Elon Musk. Conclusion. As we've journeyed today through the incredible world shaped significantly by Elon Musk, it's clear that staying informed about these technological advancements and visionary projects is more crucial than ever. What does this mean for us as individuals and as a society? It emphasizes the importance of being active participants in our future, not just passive observers. Whether it's transforming how we move with Tesla, reaching beyond our planet with SpaceX, or merging mind and machine with Neuralink, Musk's ventures are not just business enterprises. They're bold steps toward a future many of us are still trying to envision. But with great power comes great responsibility. As much as we marvel at these advancements, it's vital to engage in critical discussions about their implications, be they ethical concerns, privacy issues, or the concentration of power in the hands of few. So what do you think? Which Elon Musk project excites you most? Or perhaps there's one that concerns you deeply? I invite you to share your thoughts down below in the comments section. Let's start a conversation on how these technologies might shape our lives, and maybe even debate which ones we should fully embrace or approach with caution. If you found this deep dive informative and thought-provoking, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Dive deeper into topics shaping our world today and explore how together, informed by knowledge rather than swayed by speculation, we can navigate towards a promising yet grounded future. Thank you for watching. Engage, question, discuss, because tomorrow is built on the conversations we have today.